All right, and we're back. See if I can get the camera angle here for you guys. Okay, so you've got trim piece here, trim piece there, 2 trim pieces in the back, and what is this? 15 millimeter, a 15 millimeter, and you got a couple connectors underneath. Let's go to it. Before we do anything though, let's put the windows down. Get some air flowing in there. There's the other seat. Can you guys see that? Okay. All right, the seat is back. So let me get my trim removal tool. It's the wrong one. Okay. This is a nice quality tool. This is a snap-on. It came out of my son's toolbox. He just finished automotive school, so his toolbox is readily available because he hasn't started work yet. It starts on Monday. Come on, you piece of junk. 2 bolts there. Move the seat up if you can. And this sometimes works. Sometimes it doesn't. Another reason why I'm swapping these out, because this design is not the best. I don't know why they didn't do it just like they did with Cadillac, where they just put the controls on the door. Of course, that was a long time ago. So this does not work. And I don't know if it's because of this connector. This is broken. All right, well, let's see if we can get access to it. Oh yeah, we got access. All right, so there's 2 bolts in the back. Pop those off. You got 2 connectors here. Come on. Sorry you can't see it, but there's not enough room in here. Okay. Now the seat comes out. Here she comes. All right, out with that piece of shit. Okay, so these are the two connectors you have. Let me see. Here they are. Those are the 4 studs, 2 in the front, 2 in the back, 15 millimeter. Your seat belt. So the concern is this piece here. See that right there? Can I get a light on here? No, I can't. So this is the concern right there with the width. But let's see what we can do. This thing is light. Rails are off center. So I got 1 rail forward and 1 rail back. So this lever, I guess once it's in place it'll be okay. Almost. There, I guess. Okay. A little bit more room. It's really tight over there. All right. Almost there. It's really tight. Probably got to move the seat up more. There we go.